Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Word has built-in help functionality which can greatly reduce the time and cost of technical support. The help functionality is extensive. It contains a searchable database of help files for you to read. To access the help in Word, type the term for which to find help into either the Tell Me bar that appears at the right end of the tabs within the ribbon, or into the Microsoft search bar in the middle of the title bar, depending on your Office installation. Then roll over the Get Help On command in the drop-down menu that appears. In the side menu of choices that appears, you can click the names of the help files that appear to then open them in a Help pane at the right side of the application window. You can read the information in this pane, watch any videos, and click any related hyperlinks to find more information. When you are finished using the Help pane, simply click the X button in its upper right corner to close it. Alternatively, you can also open the Help pane in Word by clicking the Help tab in the ribbon. Then click the Help button in the Help button group. In the Help pane that appears at the right side of the window, you can click into the large white text field at the top of the pane. Then type the terms for which you want to look for help into this field. Then either press the Enter key on your keyboard to search for the term you typed, or click to select from related help terms in the drop-down menu of choices that appears while typing your help term to select one of those instead. The help files related to the term you typed or selected then appear in a list of links within the Help pane. You can then click these links to open the associated help page within the Help pane. To return to the previous Help page, click the Back button, which looks like a left-pointing arrow and which appears 2 buttons to the left of the search field in the Help pane. Click the Home button to the right of the Back button to show the main page of the Help pane again. When finished using the Help pane, you can click the X button in its upper right corner to close it.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.